Hi, this is a review of the Camkix cleaning kit. So this I got for review from the Camkix team from the Amazon website. So if you see, it's a two-piece cleaning kit with two cleaners, and it also contains two microfiber cloths for cleaning and some QR codes. It says scan for a free gift. God knows what that is. I'll just keep that aside. So if you see, we have two Camkix printed microfiber cloths and two cleaning lens solutions. So as per Camkix, their products are good for both smartphones, tablets cleaning and lens cleaning. So I'll start with cleaning my iPhone 6 Plus. The screen is kind of a mess, and then I'll go to cleaning my video camera lens. Since my DSLR is the one that is recording this, I won't be cleaning my DSLR lens for this review purpose. So I'll just get my phone. So this is my phone, and I have been using a protective cover for this and no screen protector. So if you look at the screen, it's actually kind of in a really bad state. So I'm hoping the Camkix solution will be able to fix this. So as per the manual, I'm supposed to take the cleaning solution and then apply it on the cloth or on the screen directly itself. I don't trust the cleaning solutions, so I'll just directly apply it to the Camkix microfiber cloth. So I'll generously apply it. I'll just take my phone and try to wipe it. Okay. Okay, that's coming off. Yeah, so if you see, I had some oily stuffs on my phone, but it's now kind of really clean, and I hope it does the same to lens, because my video cam lens is really in bad state. So maybe I'll just get my video cam lens and try this out once. So this is my video cam. So if you can see, if I open the lens and if I focus on that one, I don't know whether you can see, but it's kind of having a lot of fingerprints. So I'll just take the cleaner and add some to the cloth. Let's try wiping it thoroughly. Yeah, I think it's good. I don't know whether you guys can see it now. It is kind of shiny. So I think it works. This thing works fine, and it did clean my phone screen as well as the lens, but I think it's primarily for lens because it's a lens cleaner. But yeah, I would give this product a 5 out of 5 because it works as advertised, and it did clean off all the dirt and oily stuff from my phone screen, and there is no fingerprint left in my video cam. So thumbs up for this product.